So this is Belif the True Cream Aqua Bomb. It comes in two sizes, 25 ml. This is a 25 ml one, and the other is 50 ml. So they cost you around 1590 rupees and 2660 rupees each. And I bought this 25 ml one. As I said, it is 4590 rupees. And shelf life is for around 3 years, and once you open this, it's good for use for like 1 year. So the outer cover, which is of plastic, it has all the details about the product, about what company claims, how to use it, the huge list of ingredient list and everything. Let's start with what does company claims. Can you see this bar over here? It says once you apply this cream, the hydration level is going to be increased by 70%. It's like a huge promise. And it also says, are believed to deliver instant moisture explosion with lady's mantle extract, which is a moisturizing herb. This refreshing gel cream provides weightless yet intensive hydration. So this whole section, it's of the ingredient list. It has a lot of natural extracts and all goody good ingredients. The product comes in this plastic sturdy packing, and this is a screw-in lid, and the lid has this design where is this explosion of water from this tub, this cream tub, and as you can see, it's a black and white color combo. And this tub has this second lid inside. This makes sure there is no evaporation or any damage for the product. It's like second protection. So this is how the packing is like. So the product looks something like this. The smell, it's like very fresh and citrus aroma, and the color, it's pale sky blue color. Consistency, it's more like a gel consistency, very lightweight. Let me show you. So this is how it looks like. You can apply it on your skin and it gets absorbed really quickly, and it doesn't leave your skin greasy or looking oily. It's very lightweight. Even though this aroma is quite empowering, but after you apply it, it settles and the smell, it just fades away, so it's not a big deal. So now let me talk about my take on this product. To start with, I have very dry skin and my skin needs a lot of moisture, and this cream, as I said, when I applied it, it got absorbed really fast, and the aroma also, it didn't really bother me, and it did not leave any greasiness or oiliness on my skin. But what I had imagined or expected from this Aqua Bomb was it's gonna leave my skin all moisturized, by 70%, and it's gonna leave my skin all soft and plump. But unfortunately, it did not do that. So even after applying this product on my skin was screaming for more and more moisture. So that 70% thing, it didn't really worked on my skin. Interestingly, the skin type this product is suitable for, it's not mentioned on the product anywhere. But if you see their site, or for example, I saw it on the site Nykaa, from where I had bought this. It's mentioned that this is ideal for oily to normal kind of skin. It's not really ideal for dry skin. So it's kind of a mistake from my end that I did not check that. And yes, it's not really good for dry skin. This cream did not cause any irritation or any breakouts on my skin, so that's a good thing. So about the packing, even though it's very sturdy and small enough to be carried around when you travel, but tub packing is something I don't really like, because every time you have to dip your fingers in order to take out the product, and you have to make sure that your fingers are really like cleaned thoroughly, or else you are just transferring the bacteria into the product, so it's not doing any good. So I always prefer the tube packing over tub packing. So final take on this product is, it took me 1500 rupees to understand the Instagram marketing strategies. So this product is not worth the money I have spent, at least on my dry skin. If you have normal or oily skin and you want to try, you can go ahead and try the smaller version first. But I am definitely not going to recommend this for dry skin, and also I'm not going to repurchase this product for sure, because with the amount I have spent on this product, I could have bought 3 or 4 tubs of the product which I usually use on my dry skin. So yes, this is not a great product. It's definitely not an aqua bomb for the dry skin. So yes, this is not in my repurchase list for sure. So I hope you find this quick review useful. If you have dry skin, I would suggest to skip this product. And if you have normal to oily skin, you can give it a try. And I hope I have saved your money if you have dry skin. So the dry skin beauties, you're welcome. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.